Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we plan to start the third session of this AutoCAD Revit. Today we discuss about basic tool of Revit architecture. We can identify that tools are in the modified tab in the ribbon. There is a modify panel. And, you can see that set of tools in this modify panel. We can use various purposes for these tools. These are basic tools of the Revit. When we use Revit, we have to understand all the action and usage of these tools. Let's discuss one by one. First, we start Align tool. This is the Align tool. It always show that demonstration. It also very useful to understand way of working of that tool. First, you have to click this Align tool. Think about this set of walls I created by using wall, and I want to align this to left side in one line. What I have to do, I have to click alignment line first. You can see that highlighting, and this line will appear there. You can see that line. Then I can select other walls which need to align with first wall. This way I can select all the faces of wall. Then it all will align with first wall. This is how we use this align tool. In there's a prepare option. It this option we can select which of the what is the align face. For select the align faces, we can select these options. If we select multiple, uncheck this multiple option, then only one object can align. Then one by one we have to align. Okay, this is the first tool, align tool. Second tool is moving tool. We can move object. What we have to do, we have to select the object and then go to the move tool. Then it's give facilitate to enter the distance to move. Then we can type. If you want to move 10 feet, I can type 10 and enter. Then this line will move. That this wall will move. There's an option in the option box. When we move, I redo that one. I select the move tool. There's an option you can see. Two options there. One is disjoint. If I check this checkbox, then when it moves, it will disjoint with other structure, other walls. If I check that one, if I uncheck this one, then it will not disjoint. You can see that one. It move without disjoint. This option. Another option there, it called constraint. That means it only moves only two direction. Now we can move this any direction. This direction also we can move any direction. This one, if you want to angle, you can move angle. But if I check this constraint, then it only move only two direction. If it is vertical wall, it only move vertically left and right, and if it is horizontal line, it will move up and down only if we activate this option. Okay. That tool is offset tool. This also we can use offset subject. That means if I want to set 10 feet wall from this top wall, this tool can use. What we have to do is we have to enter the this offset value. I use 12 feet, then I get 12 and enter. Then I have to select which end to offset. If I go to the top wall of this wall, offset will go upside. If I go to the downside, offset go to the downside. If I want to downside, then I can click. Then I need another wall. Then this wall can also click. Offset is 12. If I it can change according to our requirement. And then if this is easy tool to use, any side I can offset. When we do complex drawing, this tool we can use. We have to use frequently. Okay. Then another tool is copy tool. That also very useful tool. First, I have to do is I have to select the tool and then select the object. Sorry, first I have to select the object, then go to the copy. Then that offset and then select the object again, and then offset can enter. If I want to 12 from the 12, that will copy 12. If I there that also there are two constraints there. One is a constraint that was same as in the offset tool. Second option is multiple. First one, if I activate this constraint, it will only one direction I can only copy. If multiple, then continuously I can copy this object. If I uncheck this multiple, then it will only one time I can copy. Then that command exit from the command. If I activate this multiple option, then continuously I can click and copy any number of objects. This is the tool. Yes. Another tool is this. The other tool is mirror tool. I can mirror this any object. I I will do another wall here because I need mirror. I this is the object I want to mirror. Then I need to mirror from which mirror I get the another object. First I want to select the object, then go to the mirror tool. Then second step is pick the mirror. Then it will mirror like this. If I want to mirror this object, I have to go mirror, then I have to select the mirror, then it will copy mirror to other side. That's the way of mirror. Another option is there. Another mirror object is there. This we need to select the mirror object, and using this tool we can draw the mirror. That means first of all we need to select the object, then go to the this tool that we called mirror draw axis tool. Then I can draw the mirror, and it will, sorry, I select this one because then I draw the mirror. You can see the from virtual mirror it will create another copy. This is these tools I explained about 5 tools: align tool, move tool, offset tool, copy tool, and two tools to mirror objects. Another set of tools there. I will explain about these tools in next session. Okay, thank you.